Steers right there. You know, when you're starting doing good to people and the people starting recognizing you. That's what happened with Steers, man. They recognized the boy and they decided, you know what? We appreciate you, nigga. And yeah, I am appreciated. Let's see what they got for me. Yeah? Oh, gee. Right there, right there, right there. Hey, man. Okay, let's that's some shit. Yeah, man. I bet that's a half a chicken. It says on the card here, right there. And we got our sausage. Yeah, we got our sausage. Now, the moment we've been waiting for. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I gotta say, y'all, Steers, they literally do their chicken in many different ways. I'm not gonna lie. This looks white, and the last time I ate this, it looks barbecuing, like literally, but you know what I mean, I don't know, yeah. Let's taste this. And these chips in here, these chips are still warm, which is beautiful, right there. Someone said that when I eat this stuff, I should start with chops. Let's dig. Let's dig into this chicken right there. Okay. Yeah, there's no messy here, you know. I made sure I have a toothpick. You have no chance, boy. You are not that big. Oh, whoa. make sure you clean your bones, yeah? You don't just waste food. That's money right there. That's money. That's your money. Hello. Ah. You don't waste anything, yeah. You eat others. Woo. Wow. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Ah. Well, guys, wow. That was a half a chicken. Yeah, a half a chicken. Literally, I finished it, yeah, with the chips together with it. I'm not liking what I've become, yeah, but in honesty, this was the best. Okay, I mustn't go way too far. If I were to rate it out of 10, that'd be 8.5. Delicious, 8.5, yeah, delicious, yeah. I feel like they would have been like, they shouldn't have been more stingy into the sauce, you know, on that chicken. They shouldn't have been more stingy. Like, they should have put more sauce. You know, that barbecue sauce was actually slapping me left and right. I feel like more of it could have actually made it to 10. More of it could have made it to 10. The chips, you also ate, I saw it was warm, nice and soft and eatable. Yeah. So fellas, yeah, if you haven't tried the steers, yeah, I suggest you go there and then go give it a try. Yeah, try their meals. Yeah, check how great that chicken it tastes like. Yeah, with a great sauce though. Remember, sometimes the sauce can define the chicken. They can cook it however they cook it. The sauce though could define that chicken. But without further ado, those who have watched till the end, much love, much appreciate you guys, and yeah, catch you guys on the next episode. Yeah.